Morning Friday time, Tori, Mutetiwa confused by. They just come on me, so the confusion is quite a lot. Yeah. The Crowbet salute, they greet everybody where they watch us this beautiful, beautiful day. And it's a Friday, my favorite day of the week, because it's a laid-back day, you know. Now, they will be say people psychologically, they relax because Friday don't come. So, yes, for everybody where they enjoy Friday for there, shout out to all of us because we they enjoy the beautiful ambience of the relaxed atmosphere of a Friday. And for those of you now who don't get work, happy Friday to you too. Because some people, Friday is every day. Monday to Friday is a Friday. So, if you know you're in that category, please, this conversation is not for you. But for those who get work, where they come out from Monday up until Friday, well then, congratulations to us all, because Friday is our only consolation, especially me. Tori, many jilaros kustu. I'm not going to wake up in the kustu morning, aka early morning time tomorrow. And that's, my darlings, absolute bliss. My name is Mayowa. I alone is going to be serving you the hot dish today on top paddy because Ogbolo had to be somewhere. And you know, as we do them now, we're always feeling for each other. So today now, just they look me as Mayowa and Ogbolo. It's a two-in-one version. Don't worry yourself. Just from year to year, Mayowa. From year down is Ogbolo. Don't worry yourself. Just be looking. When I talk, just be imagining that is the one that is talking with me. And everything is going to be fine. We get break or no? Okay, so they say we get video. We're going to come back right after this video and we enter inside Fridays. You know, Friday, we know the two talk or anything like that. We just discuss randomly on things that we concern life in general. And today we're going to be talking about dressing and dress sense. All right, but before we go on to that, this video for starters. No going. Okay, moving on to what we get for today, 40 minutes to past the hour of 11 o'clock. And I will just introduce the matter for you. So today, no yarn the yarn, it is talk the talk. Yeah. And we're going to be talking about dressing. Now, you see, this matter, what do they call dressing? By dressing, I mean, say, what you they wear, your dress sense, the things you wear for occasions, for situations, for circumstances. Because, you know, some people, they always talk, say, dress according to the occasion. Now, no, occasion don't necessarily mean, say, when they do party. But occasion just means dress according to what is happening. If you're going for an event, for a formal event, you go dress according to them. If you're going for an one-bear party, you dress according to them. If you're coming to the office, you dress according to them. If you're going to a laid-back, friendly environment, you dress according to the something. You see, you cannot be going for party. Oh, one bear party that they have done Ashwebi. Ashwebi is that anko, that cloth that everybody used to wear. Oh, one bear party, you cannot be going there and wear dinner gown. It's not really, they will be looking you at like this guy that just took inside dustbin now. It's not really conjoined. It's not a joining configuration. You understand? So you have to know how to dress according to the occasion. I mean, appropriate dressing. Now, waiting we talk about today. But now, the diversion where we they pick, the angle where we want carry now. Reasons why you should dress in certain ways and reasons why you shouldn't dress in certain ways. Now, dressing is a very important part of a human being. It says a lot about you. That's why irrespective, tell me the word now, irrespective, thank you. Irrespective of who you be, you cannot stop people from judging you by the way you dress. It is a human nature. It translates to we didn't really see what we can see. We didn't see what we can do about it. That is it. Because it is human nature. People tend to address you the way you dress. For examples, if you're a good girl, for example, you're a good girl, all right? And you stand for middle of road, say at about 6:30 p.m., 7:30 p.m., and you wear skirts, maybe a mini skirt, when it just slightly covers your bum bum. You wear a spaghetti strap. You wear high heel. You have heavy makeup and you stand for road. Even if you're a good girl, the first person will go past you. They go give you another name. You all know what they talk about. So you see, don't misinterpret your person. And don't let people misinterpret your person simply because of the way you dress. So if you want to be seen as a serious, responsible person, please dress like it. It's really simple. Now, is it important to dress modestly? The answer is yes. Yes, yes, yes. It gets some kind of times where we say, you go do some kind dressing. People go look and say, I said it's in Yahweh. That now why, for example, let me even bring it to an African place. Africans, we are very known for this thing. For example, you are dating a man. You now want to go and see his family member. That day you will not be able to sleep. Because why? You'll be looking for what to wear. Because you want to wear the appropriate thing. So they don't perceive you as a nonsense person, as a dirty girl, as a gutter girl, as a, they don't perceive you as a okay. Like they don't perceive you as somebody that's not really all right. So you got to find the appropriate thing to wear. Same goes for when you go for job interview. Same goes for when you are meeting somebody for the first time. Same goes for when you are going on a first date. Circumstances like that determines your dress sense. And people need to learn to have good dress sense. So yes, it's quite important to dress modestly. This is the reason why. So that you can be respected. Hey, respect brings about a lot of things. It's as simple as that. If people respect you, you can get away with a lot of things. And it starts simply by the way you dress. They say, dress the way you want to be addressed. People that say it's not as if they don't have sense. They have sense. That's why they say it. And it's what happens all the time. So yes, modest dressing is simultaneously, categorically, efficiently, exquisitely, economically, and under the table, directly proportional to your dress sense. Yeah. Now, very tricky question where somebody sent come. Say, can your dress sense be related to rape cases, especially for women? Here's the thing. A pedophile is a pedophile. A bad person is a bad person. A terrible person is a terrible person. But, here's the but. You do not have to do something to enhance it. I'll break it down. An offender, a sex offender is a sex offender. Somebody will be saying, go just see woman, the next thing will go come in face now to love you. Is a sex offender. But you as a woman, you don't need to do something to aggravate him. You don't need to do something to enhance him. You don't need to do something to let that thought cross his mind. If you dress decently and anybody molests you, believe me, that person, they go first talk, say, it's a sick person, it's all have spoiled. But if you dress indecently, I mean unnecessary exposure of your body parts as a female in what you wear assumed to be clothes. You see, if you do that and you get molested, people will blame you first. It's the way human psychology is built. So you see, yes, sometimes it encourages rape because these people, where we say they cannot take their hands off women, cannot take the sight of their mind. Men are driven by what they see. It cannot take their mind off the sight of what they see, and all of those things. So that's all we're trying to say. So yes, sometimes is the reason for it. And somebody asked another question, but I'm going to answer it when we go on a break because it can't be like say myself, I can't overtalk. So let's go on the break. What happened? I didn't come out. I want to kill myself. Let's go break, please. Bye. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to move on from that video and continue waiting at the talk. Right, we were talking about dressing, indecent dressing, and all those many things then. Back to you. So, viewers at home, if you are listening me, you have to understand that you see this dress thing is actually a personal thing. Because waiting feel look indecent to you might not be a big deal to somebody else. Again, it is a function of upbringing, is a function of environment, is a function of who you are as a person, is a function of what you were allowed to and to not do from when you were growing up. So you see, this thing is quite a diverse situation. It's not really a conforming conjure something. It's a, it's a wide apart situation. Wow. I look like I want to fly. I want to fly? Wow. Yeah, so it's a wider pattern on something. That is the truth about all this matter. But I'm still going to tell you something. Even men have issues of indecent dressing. Yes, so not be only women in this particular matter they talk to. Because when you talk about indecent dressing, women they are the ones. No, even men, sometimes they dress indecently. I mean, why will you want to walk on the streets and you'll be wearing some really tight trousers that shows the lines of your crotch, you see? It's such an harassment dressing, you see? So yeah, even men, sometimes they have these issues of indecent dressing. Now, for example, this picture where they show now, there's no way you're going to dress like that, revealing some part of your body. Too high, it might not be a big deal. It might even be hot, you know. But there's no way where you go dress like that and you will not attract some attention, either negative or positive attention, you see. So yeah, person where they dress like that, they come out. You have to deal with whatever comes with it, because the fact that you wear the clothes, it was your choice. So whatever comes with it, you have to deal with it. All right, so moving on to the half part of it. Wait, excuse me, I want to put this in my ear. They are saying something. What you are saying? What you are saying? Oh. So therefore, please, let's go back to the mother. Didn't be distracting me, please. I'm gisting with the viewers at home. Okay, so now, I will tell you importance of dressing like a better person. It will give you confidence. See, if you dress well, you know, say you dress well. Anywhere where you enter, you go proud. You go, not proud as in the real sense of pride, but you go, your shoulder pad is something like a high. You go there very confident. Your confidence is going to clock a 0 degree Celsius. Yeah, because if you dress confidently, if you dress very well, you're going to feel like you're on top of the world. Nobody can really tell you nonsense. That is the thing. So advantage of dressing really nicely, it gives you this confidence, you see. That's one. Two, you if you don't know who you go jam. Hey, go and dress anyhow and go and jam the person that's going to help you forever. And the person is not going to say, no, this one is dressed irresponsible. It's dressed irresponsible. I cannot give him the responsibility of my office or give him responsibility of this job or something. You don't know who you feel meet. So be careful what you wear when you go outside so that you will not go and off your destiny by yourself. You will not go and erase your picture destiny by yourself. Be careful. Another reason why you suppose make sure, say, you dress nice, confident. You see, when we say dress nice, no mean say make you wear expensive something. Not be by how much. Now, by how well it looks put together on you. Now, they give good impression. You see, good dressing, they give good impression. The moment you see somebody that dresses well, you'll be like, wow. Even if not be your style, when you see good dressing, it gives good impression. It will just automatically make you feel, say, that person a better person. It's psychological. You know, there's some things where we say, you know, if you stop. That's the thing about it. And then good dressing, it makes you feel good. I'll tell you how. Because if you dress better, somebody will compliment you. Women love compliments. I mean, I love to be complimented, same as a whole lot of women. So you see, if you dress well, somebody will compliment you. And when they compliment you, it makes you feel good. That is the thing. So the advantages of what's it called? Advantages of dressing better is actually more than not dressing well. I didn't really know what to talk about this matter anymore. So you're going to give us laugh the laugh so we can just end it because I'm tired. Yeah. Laugh the laugh, please.
I don't want to go there. I wish never go there. Why you want to go there? Why you never go there? I don't want to go there. I wish never go there. Why you want to go there? Why you never go there? I don't want to go there. I wish never go there. Why you want to go there? Why you never go there?
Why we never go there? Yeah. And in this person's mind now, you think you have just do better thing. Uncle, no matter how much you dress, it cannot really help you in this situation. All right, anyways, back to the matter. Open up, touch up my why you like play, concentrate. Yes, follow us for Twitter. at Wazobia Paddy Paddy. He did here for the screen. If you did watch us now, you go see I'm written there. At Wazobia Paddy Paddy on top Twitter. And if you want to enter inside Instagram, now at Wazobia TV NG. At Wazobia TV NG. And don't forget, if you follow us for youtube.com/Wazobia TV NG, just search for Paddy Paddy. Same goes for facebook.com/Wazobia TV NG, search for Paddy Paddy. If you talk, say you want to talk to us individually, you are very welcome. We're quite a welcome. And you can follow us on Twitter at Mayowa Lambe on Twitter, at Funny Ogbolo on Twitter, and on top Instagrams is at Mayowa Ekpo and at Ogbolo in the Instagram place. Follow us on Snapchat at Mayowa Ekpo and at Ogbolo on top the matter. So I just want to thank the viewers at home. I want to thank my daddy and my mommy. I want to thank my producers. I want to thank everybody, because it's not really easy to come here and do it by yourself. But I came and I conquered. On that note, I say bye. Enjoy quite a very lovely weekend. And please, dress beautifully. Gorgeousness.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.